Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming what seem like ordinary spark plugs and some common household materials like nails into a powerful. I'll carefully insert regular nail into the chuck of my drill. The key here is to secure them tightly. I will use an angle grinder to cut off the heads of these nails. Then I will sharpen the cut nail head. This is crucial because this focus point will allow for precise heat concentration and intricate work later on, transforming them into sharp, effective contact points for our new tool. I did the same to get 2 sharp nails. Now, I'm moving on to 2 old spark plugs. I'll secure one in a vise to hold it steady with a pair of locking pliers. I'm carefully removing the central electrode from the spark plug. This step helps us access the hollow metal shell, which will become a key component for our new tool. I'm repeating this process for the second spark plug as well. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll take a length of red electrical wire and strip a small section of insulation from one end to expose the copper. This exposed copper will be our first electrical contact point. I will thread the stripped copper wire inside the spark plug housing and secure the wire securely with a nail. To provide insulation and a comfortable grip, I'm sliding a piece of PVC pipe over the assembly. Finally, I'll wrap it securely with red electrical tape to insulate the exposed wire and create a sturdy, insulated handle for safe handling and durability. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm now repeating the same process with the second tool, but this time using yellow electrical wire. I'll strip the wire, insert it into the second spark plug shell, and then fit the second sharpened screw firmly inside. Just like before, I'm adding a piece of PVC pipe for the handle and wrapping it securely with red electrical tape to ensure proper insulation and a sturdy hold. These handles will allow us to safely manipulate our new tools. Now for the power source. I'm taking an old laptop charger. I'll carefully cut and strip the output cable to expose the internal wires, making sure to identify the positive and negative leads. I'm connecting the stripped end of our red wire from the first tool to one of these charger wires, twisting them together tightly for a secure electrical connection. Then, I'll wrap this connection thoroughly with red electrical tape. This is vital for safety, preventing any short circuits. I'm doing the same for the yellow wire from our second tool, connecting it to the other wire from the laptop charger. Again, I'm twisting them securely and insulating the connection with red electrical tape. Now both tools are ready. I'm plugging the laptop charger into a power strip, which will supply the necessary voltage for our spot welder. The two tools are now connected to the charger, acting as our electrodes. I'll place two small razor blades on a wooden block and touch the tips of our tools to them. See those sparks and how quickly the metal heats up and fuses? That's the concentrated energy in action, creating precise spot welds. Finally, I will use this homemade welder to weld two multi-purpose blades together. Watch closely as I touch the tips of both tools to this multi-purpose cutter blade. See how they instantly heat up and melt the metal, joining them together? Our homemade spot welder is made from a simple spark plug, nail, PVC pipe, and wire. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can achieve amazing things and tackle unexpected tasks. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.